Hi guys, I've got another product review for you today. This time it is an air filter from Levoit. They were nice enough to send me one of these to review. I'm not sponsored, so you're going to get my unbiased review opinion. First of all, isn't it beautiful?
It is.
I love the Apple computer of the early 2000s white. It goes with everything. It also comes in black if you're not a big fan of white. So if you've got like, if you're Darth Vader, it's great. You can get a black one. It's the, I should tell you, it's the LV-H132. It's for a small room. I believe they also make ones for larger rooms, but this one is just perfect for my kitchen. You can have it in the bedroom, in the kitchen, probably even in a bathroom if you had a decent sized bathroom, right? But this is nice because it's not an ionic filter. It doesn't create any ozone. It has a 3-stage filtration system. It has like the pre-filter. It has a true HEPA filter, which is awesome because it gets all of those infinitesimally small particles out of the air that can go into your sinuses and irritate them. I have terrible allergies, so especially this time of the year when the air is very dry because of the air conditioning, or in the winter time we have forced air heating. It dries out the air terribly. All of those particles are floating around because it doesn't have that humidity to weigh them down. It also has the third filter is a carbon filter, which sucks in all of those odors and neutralizes them, which is really nice, especially in a kitchen situation. So I have mine tucked over by the microwave, and it is so quiet.
It's really quiet.
Yeah, it also has a night light, which is really nice. 2 different settings, so there's a bright and not so bright. But you could see on the top here, it's got the on-off night light. This lights up when the filter needs to be changed about every 6 months, and 3-speed fan. So I leave mine on number 1, and it's very quiet. If I'm cooking something smelly, I might kick it up to a 3. But let me tell you, we had a skunk come through here last month.
He rolled through.
Yeah, he rolled through in our neighborhood because we live north of New York City, kind of in the boondocks, but not really. But we get a lot of wildlife, and this time of year is prime skunk time. So he came and he released his smell, and it takes a long time to get rid of that smell, especially if it gets into the house. And it did get sucked into the house because we had fans going to pull in cold air. The next day, this thing took care of the skunk smell in the house, so that was fantastic.
Thanks, Levoit.
Yeah, thank you for saving us from the skunk smell. But Levoit's got a special right now. For the next day and a half, I believe until July 17th at midnight, they're offering 20% off on Amazon, so I'm going to leave the link in the info box below. I think it's a great deal. The filter does a really good job. You don't have to worry about the ozone. You know ozone's bad. I used to have an ionic filter when I was first married, and it made a weird smell, the ionic filter. This one, completely odorless and quiet. So I would highly recommend this. I'm going to put it back in the corner where it was and let it do its thing. But I hope you guys consider this. Go check it out on the website. It's
for your consideration.
For your consideration, 20% off is a steal. So until our next product review or recipe video, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. And until next time, much love.